everyone, this is Renato, President of Ducati Riders of Orange County. We're here tonight for a very important topic.
My name is Chang. I'm a Ducati rider and also the executive and founder of Citizen Medic Foundation. We teach first aid to people outside the medical profession and the basic skills required to keep someone going until first responders arrive. I think a lot of people have the mistaken notion that either you're in the medical profession, you have to commit to a very long and very committed level of medical skills, or you're a civilian. The reality is there's plenty of skills you can learn that will make you useful to a fellow downed rider, and that's what we're here to share and explore today with our club members.
One of the club mission is to make sure that not only we are safe when we ride, but also how we address when things do happen and things do go wrong sometimes. So being prepared for these kind of opportunities is really fundamental. And this is really important as a whole rider, as a set of skills and capabilities, being able to respond to someone who is in need when we go out and with our friends we're riding. Knowing what to do is really paramount.